Hello students, now we are going to discuss about scope and excitement of physics from first lesson, nature of physical world and measurement. What is mean by scope and excitement of physics? We are studying various laws, concepts and method in physics. These are very much helpful to know about a very tiny particle like electron and proton as well as a very large object like earth, sun and moon. Okay, in terms of its physical quantities like length, mass, time, etc. So what is the range of length? With help of laws and concepts given in physics, it is able to measure the diameter of proton as well as it is able to measure the distance of sun from the earth or distance of the moon from the earth, which are given in this table. Look at this table. Diameter of proton is measured in terms of 10 power minus 15 meter. Size of the atomic nucleus is about 10 power minus 14 meter. Diameter of hydrogen atom is about 10 power minus 10 meter. Wavelength of light is about 10 power minus 7 meter. Diameter of red blood cell is about 10 power minus 5 meter. And thickness of a paper is about 10 power minus 4 meter. Length of a football field is measured in terms of 10 power 2 meter. And height of the Mount Everest above sea level is measured in terms of 10 power 4 meter. The radius of the earth is about 10 power 7 meter. And the distance of moon from the earth is about 10 power 8 meter. The distance of sun from earth is about 10 power 11 meter. And average radius of Pluto's orbit is about 10 power 12 meter. And distance from earth to the nearest star other than sun is about 10 power 16 meter. Distance to the Andromeda galaxy size of our galaxy is about 10 power 22 meter. And the distance to the boundary of observable universe is said to be 10 power 26 meter. So look at the first value as well as the last value. First value is about 10 power 26 meter and the last value is about 10 power minus 15 meter. So see the difference between these two values. So with help of laws, concepts given in physics, it is able to measure even a diameter of a proton as well as the distance to the boundary of the observable universe. Okay, and next let us discuss about some common practical units. Fermi. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 power minus 15 meter. So 10 power minus 15 meter should be denoted as what? 1 Fermi. It should be called as what? 1 Fermi. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. 10 power minus 10 meter should be called as what? 1 angstrom. And 1 nanometer is about 10 power minus 9 meter. So 10 power minus 9 meter should be called as what? 1 nanometer. And then 1 micron is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter. Wherever you see 10 power minus 6 meter, it should be mentioned as what? 1 micron or 1 micrometer. And next, what is 1 light year? You are familiar with this definition. Distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year is called 1 light year, which is equal to 9.467 into 10 power 15 meter. And then the definition for 1 astronomical unit. The mean distance of earth from the sun is called 1 astronomical unit, which is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. And next, 1 parsec. What is called 1 parsec? Parsec is nothing but parallactic second, which is nothing but the distance at which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second of arc. So 1 parallactic second is equal to 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter, which is equal to 3.26 light year. Similarly, the range of mass of the objects in the universe varies from 10 power minus 30 kilogram to 10 power 55 kilogram. Look at this table. In this table, look at the mass of the electron. It is measured in terms of 10 power minus 30 kilogram. That is, this 10 power minus 30 kilogram is said to be very small value. And mass of the universe is measured in terms of 10 power 55 kilogram. See the next table. In this table, the range of time interval is given. The time interval ranges from 10 power minus 24 second to 10 power 17 second. So look at the lifespan of most unstable particle. It is measured in terms of 10 power minus 24 second, and look at the age of universe. It is about 10 power 17 second. Okay, so the time interval ranges from 10 power minus 24 second to 10 power 17 second. Likewise, we can determine any physical quantities of any object in the universe using the laws and concepts given in physics. Thank you, students.